As we head into the 4th of July weekend, health officials want to remind you to celebrate safely to curb the spread of COVID-19. We are on your side with what you need to know before you gather with your friends and family. WSAV News 3's Daisy Kershaw is here with what local doctors have to say.
District Health Director for the Coastal Health District, Dr. Lawton Davis, says it's important to remember we're not out of the clear when it comes to COVID.
People are thinking it's gone away, but it really hasn't.
A warning from local health experts this 4th of July weekend. COVID-19 is still a threat in our community.
We're at a very, very significant level of community transmission right now. Currently, for the last month, we've been bouncing around in the mid 400s to a little over 500.
And Coastal Health District Director Dr. Lawton Davis estimates that number is likely much higher because of the prevalence of at-home testing.
It may be twice that high, if you were to be able to add in all of the positive home tests. Instead of 439, we might be 878.
Already, local hospitals recently reported an uptick in people coming in for COVID-19 treatment. Dr. Davis says he anticipates the number of cases and hospitalizations will go up after the holiday weekend.
People kind of lower their guard and, gather up and party and have a good time. We'll probably see an increase in cases.
Partying with your guard down, especially now, could make you vulnerable to the virus. Dr. Davis says that's because the variants going around now are much more infectious, even if you're vaccinated.
Even today, even if you're vaccinated, if you're going to be in a place with a lot of other people, especially those you don't know and have no idea about how careful they are, I would encourage people to wear a mask.
Wear a mask, and if you're eligible, health experts say get that second booster, especially if you're planning to travel soon.
Time that second booster and take it about 3 weeks, 2.5, 3 weeks before you leave on that trip, so that the booster will have the maximum opportunity to provide whatever protection it can.
According to recent reports, there are about 40 people hospitalized with COVID-19 in Chatham County, which is nearly double what we've seen over the last 3 weeks. Daisy Kershaw, WSAV News 3, on your side.